Right, well, it's all on. I've done this before. Nicely tightly in there. You managed to get this in reasonably tight as well, but by pulling those back, I don't know if that's going to stay like that because this thing vibrates, so probably not. I managed to find another bolt. It was in my chest. For some reason, it was just one there. So I've got the two bolts that hold the exhaust onto the manifold. Let me put the light on, make it easier to see. So that's bolted onto there just fine. Right, now let's get to the fun bit. Yeah, of course, the question you're saying is, what the why? Yeah, so basically these wires that go onto the sensor, I was going to solder them, obviously that would be good, but I found out that they use the wires to bring in oxygen into the sensor, even though I can see holes there. Yeah, so it's like whatever, but that means that the wires are actually made of stainless steel instead of copper or aluminium. I guess that's deliberately to stop people soldering them, but it's like, what? So this is just a piece of terminal block that I had out of it, and it's obviously a 9 where I only using 4. Yeah, and I've got it on tight, so I think we're okay. And I'm just gonna, it's not gonna stay like that, it's just whilst I actually get it so that I can test it, and then eventually obviously I'll swap it out for another one. The guy who ripped this off, he obviously used a clamp on it because it was all scored all around the nut, so I had to dress it off so I could get a nut on it. Still not perfect, but I managed to get one on, and it's gone in nice and tight, so I think that'll be alright. This isn't sealed, but it's good enough. That's sealed, so I think this is a good exhaust. So obviously I need to get it off the ramp now because we're done here. Yep, that's going to be fun.